Google unveiled the launch of ChromeOS M131 to non-beta users, bringing it with a handy safety reset feature, allowing Chromebook users to reset their laptops without totally wiping them. The update rolled out a new flash notifications accessibility option to help those who might not otherwise easily hear or view them. A safety reset will clear the slate if you're experiencing computer virus-like behavior like unusual pop-ups. But where Power Wash is a full factory reset, Safety Reset preserves local data and apps, along with things like bookmarks and saved passwords. Additionally, Google noted that users can call up the Safety Reset dialog box directly by pressing Control, Shift, Search, and R, while you can find it in the Safety and Privacy Settings menu or by searching Settings or Launcher for keywords like pop-up, spam, or virus. The new flash notification setting, available in accessibility settings under Audio and Captions, provides an additional visual notification indicator to those who might otherwise miss them because they're hard of hearing or use screen magnification to read the content.